I don't know how to play.
Hey guys, it's been a while since the last update. That's kind of been my bad. I've mostly just been doing a lot of wiring on the Volvo, trying to get that figured out. And I've also had midterms, so I haven't had a lot of time to make videos. But midterms are over now. I should be able to get back on that YouTube game. I'm actually on my way to a junkyard to pick up some stuff for the Volvo. While I'm on my way there, you guys can go ahead and watch these clips on what I've done recently on the Volvo. Alright, so this banner over here was made by American Decals. He was on Instagram. Obviously he makes really good decals. You guys should go check him out for all your decal needs. He's super amazing, works with custom orders. He had this done in like an hour. He just had it knocked out and ready for me pretty much the next day or same day. Anyways, great guy. Definitely go to him for all your decal needs. Link will be in the description. Go check out his Instagram. Looks like there's not a single junkyard in all of Utah Valley that has a Volvo 240 in it, which means I am short out of luck. Alright, so seeing how there's not really anything to do because no junkyards have Volvo parts, that's gonna have to be a wrap up for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry about taking so long to upload it, but we're back on right now, so stay tuned. We're gonna get some good stuff coming.